Zap Martin with Big Block Realty and the Martin Group. We have a home for sale here in beautiful Escondido, California. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage house with solar as well. The front yard is humongous as you walk in towards the house. The backyard is gorgeous. It has a pool as well as a seating area, multiple seating areas, and a fruitful orange tree. Inside, the kitchen is great with stainless steel appliances, a sitting nook where you can have your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and like I said, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So if you're interested in this home at all, get a hold of me, 619-512-3301. We'd love to show you this gorgeous house.